Hey, welcome to everybody in my channel. Today we have very interesting question for you, new exponential equation. So let's come we start to exponent of x is equal to x exponent of 32. How we can calculate the value of x from this exponential equation. So if we look here is 32. We try to reciprocal of on the each sides 32, so 2x whole exponent of 1 by 32 on both sides we are applying in here x 32 whole 1 by 32. Now according to the double exponent rule, x exponent of m whole exponent of n x m n, according to this rules we are applying in here. So now we are multiplying here their powers. 2 exponent of x by 32 is equal to x. This will be cancelled to each other. We get x power 1. Now we try to finish this x. So we are taking x 32 is the reciprocal of 1 by x on both sides, x 1 power x. So this will be cancelled according to these rules we are applying here. So 2 exponent of 1 by 32 is equal to x exponent of 1 by x is remaining. So 2 1 by 32 and power 2 over 2 is equal to x 1 by x. We are applying just multiply and divided by the left hand side power. So this will be multiplies 2 and 2 multiplied with 32 we get 64 and power base is 2 is equal to x 1 power x. So similarly this power we can write 2 power 2 and 1 power 1 by 64 is remaining x power 1 by x. Now so this will be get 2 square we get 4 and 1 by 64 is equal to x 1 by x. Again we are multiply and divide by their power is 2 and divide on the left side x power 1 by x. So now this 2 is multiplied by 1, so 4 exponent of 2 and this will be get v 128 is equal to x exponent of 1 over x. Similarly now this power 4 square we can write and whole exponent of 128 is equal to x 1 by x is their power. So we get 16 and 1 divided by 128 is equal to x 1 power 1 by x. Again we take and power of square and divide by 1 by 2 128. 2 divided by 2 is equal to x 1 by x. Now this 2 is multiplied here we can write 16 2 divided by 100 256 is equal to x 1 y by x. We take in here 16 square and 100 256 is equal to x exponent of 1 by x. So we get 256. 16 multiplied by 16 we get 256 and their power is 1 by 256 is equal to x and power is 1 by x. So and here if we are comparing their base, so x is equal to 256. Similarly, if we are power comparing to each other, so we get in here 100 256 equal to 1 by x. By cross multiplication and here doing, so we get x is equal to 256 is the solution. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more.